In a world where everybody is looking for a quick way to make an extra buck, the Amazon Influencer Program has quickly climbed up the ranks and gained so much popularity. Going viral on social media and ads popping up just about everywhere, people are scrambling at the opportunity to grow their following and join the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, what's up everybody? My name is Mercedes Gomez, and if you're new to my channel, first off, welcome. I'm so excited to have you, but I also wanted to introduce you to my channel and let you know that on this channel, I am here to document my entire journey chasing financial freedom. I also want to be 100% transparent about the entire thing and just bring you guys along with me. Now, with the Amazon Influencer Program, I have been a part of this program since February of 2023, and over the past 11 months, I have just learned so much, gained so much knowledge and insight, and I've really gained some success by teaching you guys and showing you guys everything that I've, seen and learned and found out about the Amazon Influencer Program. So lucky enough for me, I've been a real big source of knowledge and guidance and help to a lot of people interested in the program. So I am so excited to have this channel to be a face of the Amazon Influencer Program. And so with that being said, today's video, I really thought it would be important for me to give you guys my honest opinion on the answer to a really big question. Now, this really big question is, what is the future of the Amazon Influencer Program? And is the Amazon Influencer Program worth it going into the new year, going into 2024? Is the Amazon Influencer Program worth it in 2024? And what are my thoughts around it? So guys, make sure you hit the like button right now and make sure you stay tuned to the very end of this video because I have a huge hot take that I would like to share with you guys. And I think this is going to be, a big thing throughout the entire 2024 about the Amazon Influencer Program. So guys, without further ado, let's move on and let's get started in this video. Now, is the Amazon Influencer Program going to be worth it in 2024? Now, to answer this question, I think it's super important that I bring up some really important points and discuss those points with you. So starting off the list, I want to talk about the first point, which is time invested. Now, when you guys are starting a side hustle or looking to start a new business or venture, time invested is going to be very important because most of us are still going to have to carry on some sort of job, whether it be part-time, full-time, contract work, whatever the case is. When you introduce a new side hustle, you don't just go all in and quit everything that you have that you're working on, right? You still need to bring in some sort of money. So time invested is so important. And with the Amazon Influencer Program, you don't have to invest a whole lot of time. That's what's marvelous about this program, right? Now, one of my biggest quotes and something that a lot of people have taken from my video is I said, if you treat the Amazon Influencer Program like a business, it'll pay you and reward you like a business. Now, with that being said, obviously, the more time you invest in the program, it's more than likely you're going to see more and better results. However, you can run the Amazon Influencer Program with spending just a few hours a week in the program. And that's the great thing about it. If you just dedicate a couple minutes to, 30 minutes to an hour every single day, this program will run. This program will get you results, and you'll be able to manage this Amazon Influencer Program on top of everything else that you're doing and not be extremely stressed out. There are people that are making really good side money from the Amazon Influencer Program while still carrying a full-time job, a part-time job, and a lot of other things. So it's very doable. Now, time invested is very important because, like I said, you don't want to put a lot of time into this, and being able to not put a lot of time into it and still see results is just fascinating. That's why the Amazon Influencer Program is so popular and so many people are flocking to it to want to join and to want to be a part of it. So time invested is huge, and I want to tell you that you do not have to invest a whole lot of time into the program to make some sort of money. Now, obviously, it's not going to be life-changing money if you're not investing a whole lot of time, but over the course of, seeing results and seeing the Amazon Influencer Program grow and your results grow, then you can slowly invest more time into the program. But if you're looking for something pretty, low to start and pretty good on time where you're not going to have to, stress yourself out, lose sleep, the Amazon Influencer Program is perfect. And so going into 2024, that does not change. You still don't have to invest a lot of time if you don't have it. And so time invested is huge, and a huge point that I wanted to point out. Now, moving on from time invested, I want to talk about the quick return and the quick results. Now, this is probably something that you guys are going to find super interesting. And I think this is another really big reason that people are joining the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, I have tried a lot of side hustles, and I've watched people try a lot of side hustles. And with the Amazon Influencer Program, you are going to see the quickest return, the quickest results. And I think that's what makes this program super cool and, makes people want to scale it even more. Because when you see results in just a few days, which you really will if you, put some reviews out there, get into the program, learn about the program, and know what you're doing, you can see results in just a few days. With the Amazon Influencer Program bringing in such quick results, this is another really good point as to why I think this program is still really good and something that you should think about going into 2024. So because of these quick results, if you're somebody that's result driven, this is going to be the best thing for you. Just because you know how life is, you work, you have kids to take care of, maybe you have to cook dinner, work out, take care of yourself. And so when you are somebody who's results driven and you see these quick results, hopefully that keeps you motivated and makes you, want to work on this program after you've had a really long day. The next point I want to bring up is that the Amazon Influencer Program basically has a 0 to none startup cost. Now, this is absolutely amazing because for most side hustles and most businesses that you try to go out and start, you're going to have to go and invest and purchase certain things just to get off the ground and just to make some sort of money. Now, with the Amazon Influencer Program, the only thing you're really going to need is a social media account with a decent sized following. But other than that, you don't have to go out and buy any fancy equipment, buy property, buy products, buy a microphone, lighting, a camera, none of that. You really don't have to do it. Yes, it's optional, and yes, you could do it, but to start off, you don't need any of that. All you simply have to do is use your smartphone, set it up on a bottle or a can, and you can record yourself. The microphone is good enough, the audio is good enough, just turn on the lights in your house or use natural lighting from a window, and you're gonna be perfect. Now, when it comes to the products that you're gonna review, most people will have enough products in their house to get themselves running in the Amazon Influencer Program. To get yourself running, you really just need 3 products to submit your first 3 videos to get approved for on-site commission. And most people can find 3 things in their home that can be found on Amazon. So even with the products, you don't have to purchase anything, you don't have to invest and buy anything. You are pretty much set up and golden to start with what you have at home already. Another super awesome point that I want to point out is that there's no skills required to join the Amazon Influencer Program. Yes, obviously this program is going to be better suited for certain people, and those types of people are people that can be comfortable in front of the camera, that can convince themselves to talk and review a product. But aside from that, there's no specific skills. You don't need to be good at math. You don't need to be good at video editing or photography or product research. You don't have to have any specific skills. Most of the skills you're going to pick up and you're going to learn as you go through the program and as you get yourself immersed in the Amazon Influencer Program. So that's something really awesome. And in fact, there's a bonus to this, and that is you are going to learn so many skills by being an Amazon influencer and being in the program. You're going to learn video editing. You're going to learn how to take better photos and video and about camera equipment and gear. And you're also going to learn about products because you're reviewing so much stuff. So you don't need any skills to join, but you're definitely gonna leave or be enrolled in the program and learn a lot of skills. So I absolutely love that about the Amazon Influencer Program, and I hope you guys do as well. Now, the very last tip and thing that I wanna point out to you guys is that the Amazon Influencer Program has endless possibilities and endless advantages. I cannot say enough good things about the program because the program is simply pretty awesome and pretty sweet. Now, on top of all the amazing points that I've just given you and all the really good reasons about the Amazon Influencer Program and why it's such a great, side hustle moving into 2024, there are some cons or some negatives that I want to bring to light and that you really should keep in mind when you're thinking about the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, the very first and most important thing I want to talk about is that the program is getting a little bit more saturated, if not pretty saturated already. Obviously, tons of people are joining the program. Tons more people have, started the application process and are getting enrolled each and every day, especially if you compare it to years prior. So my point here is if you are somebody who is comparing or coming into this program thinking you're gonna make what people did 2-3 years ago, then you're already off to a really bad start. The Amazon Influencer Program going into 2024 is gonna be a really good source of side income. If you can keep this as a side income thing and keep that in mind, I think you're gonna really enjoy the program and see that it's really worth it to start up in 2024. Now, obviously, this program is not going to be able to retire all of us. And, this program is not going to be something that's going to replace all of our full-time jobs and make us all filthy rich. Now, yes, it can definitely do that for some people, and some people's results are actually astonishing, but that's not normal. That's not what everybody is going to experience. So if you can come into this program with kind of lower expectations and think that, if I could make a couple $100 or maybe even $1,000 or so extra a month, that will really help me and really benefit me. If you come into the program with that mindset, I really think that this is going to be a great side hustle, and I definitely recommend it to anybody, going into 2024. Now, this program, because I said all of those really great points above, it's not gonna take a lot of time. You're gonna see quick results. You don't need no skills. There's no startup cost. If you can take all of that and still make some extra money, right here, right there, that's the perfect reason to start this program. Now, I kind of wanna give you a little example and explain to you how basic you can take this program. Now, there's zero startup cost. You don't have to purchase anything. Find products in your home that you already have. Use a smartphone that you already have. Hit record yourself making a video. There's no editing involved. You simply take that video, upload it to the Amazon Influencer Program, upload it to the software that the Amazon Influencer Program has, which is super simple. You simply just select the file from your computer, upload it. Like I said, there was no editing involved because you just started it on your iPhone and you stopped it on your iPhone. You don't even need to make a thumbnail. You can keep it as basic as that. Just record something real quick, upload it, no thumbnail, just tag the product, and there you go. It took less than 5 minutes from, finding the product, recording the product, and posting it. So if you spend just an hour a day or even less than that, just a few hours a week, you can simply upload a ton of videos if you set your mind to it and if you practice and you're able to record a product review video so quickly, then you're perfect. You're set up for a really great opportunity that doesn't take hardly any time out of your day. You're set up to make some good side money and you still have your full-time job, part-time job, whatever it is. So with all that being said, you can basically take the Amazon Influencer Program and think of it as like a gateway or an entry into entrepreneurship, an entry into starting a business. If you're somebody with an entrepreneurial mindset or just somebody looking for a better opportunity, somebody who doesn't want to be in the workforce forever, this is a great little outlet and something that you can experiment with and try out. And going into 2024 with the new year right here on the horizon, this is the perfect opportunity for you. So, like I showed you and explained to you in this entire video, the Amazon Influencer Program is definitely something you still could take advantage of and look into 2024. And I think there is definitely still a lot of potential, and this is going to be the perfect program for a lot of people. So guys, if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much. And as a thank you, I want to share with you guys my hot take on the Amazon Influencer Program going into 2024. So the way that we make commissions through the Amazon Influencer Program is by making a product review video, which Amazon then takes and puts it onto product pages. And anytime, somebody goes and watches those videos, we make a commission. Amazon drives all the traffic for us, which is why the Amazon Influencer Program has been so amazing and so many people have been seeing, some amazing results. Well, my hot take going into 2024 is that we need to figure something out to not just dedicate and to depend on on-site commission. I think 2024 is going to be a year of off-site commission, and if you really want to strive and see a good year going into 2024, I think we need to focus on ways that we can bring in our own traffic and make our own money, our own commissions through off-site commissions. Now, yes, obviously that takes away from one of the huge pluses, which is that Amazon brings in all the traffic for us. But as Amazon influencers, we have to evolve. And if you're new to the Amazon Influencer Program or thinking about joining, keeping this in mind going into 2024 is going to be huge for you. If you're somebody who just doesn't want to settle for on-site commission and let Amazon do all the work for you, if you can get that into your mind now and understand that if you can figure out a way to bring in your own traffic, to make your own sales without these product pages, that's going to be huge for you. Now, I'm bringing this up because Amazon is notorious for taking our videos down, for removing our videos from product pages, and then our commissions tanks. Now, this really hurts us. And as Amazon influencers who depend on on-site commission, we kind of just sit back, let them do their thing, and we just hope that one day the videos will go back. And that's what's been happening. So with that being said, in 2024, I want to shift my focus a little and not just depend wholeheartedly on Amazon driving in that traffic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this hot take, and I hope you guys can use that to your advantage and kind of change your mindset and change your game plan moving into 2024. So guys, the Amazon Influencer Program is definitely still worth it in 2024. If you didn't take that from all of the points that I pointed out in this video, I don't know what to tell you, but it's definitely still good, something that you should invest your time in and go apply as soon as you possibly can. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.